Power moves are really important for anybody who break dances, especially. Without power moves, you do not have momentum. So, just like we talked about physics a few weeks back, you are now needing to build that momentum. Your power moves introduce speed to your body. So, they're a way to extend and contract so you build, and you should be able to get faster and faster and faster as the power builds. That's their whole purpose. I see a lot of people when they are first learning power moves try to take them very slow. Now, from one perspective, that's great, so you can clean up the technique, but then at some point you have to move past that. You've got to be able to take leg swings and do full rotations with them and take that into your seat spins. That's how you get that full rotation. You can do multiple turns with seat spins, and in turn, that should get you faster and faster and faster so you can keep that momentum going and get you into other moves and get you to your head and all that other stuff. I will see you tomorrow.